Let's take a look at this IKEA Vinter candle. This costs around 149 rupees or $2 or so. It's apple and cinnamon scented. Lasts up to 14 hours. It's 8 centimeters height and 8 centimeters diameter. Scented candle in a metal tin. That's how the apple tin looks. Really beautiful. That's how the candle looks. Because of the apple and cinnamon fragrance, smells like apple pie. So let's light it. Smells like someone is baking a warm apple pie. Looks amazing and smells even better. Even when you're not using it, it looks really beautiful. Quite nice. Check it out.